You've been down this road for far too long. You left your love behind, but still you keep on crawling back, despite the pain inside. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me.
Slows down when you kiss me. As I fall asleep, you're a better butterfly. Close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. First, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find that love, love. Never grow old, even when we grow up. It's up to us to sound and smell each road. They're the colors that we show, it's the feeling that we trust, and it's the brush that we both carry. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. First, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. When you're searching hard and it seems to lead to nowhere, no matter where you are, no, I'll always be there. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're pretty, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find you don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. I didn't see you enter. Didn't mean knocking at the door. So I found a way to tether. You dropped your anger down to my soul. Showed up uninvited. I was caught off guard, I was unexpected. But now I see you, there's nowhere to hide. I'm gonna chase you down, not gonna lose this fight. And the years that you've stolen, I'm taking back. I'm spending all my time breaking chains, breaking lies that feels good.